Hello students, good morning. I am Sauraj RC, your science teacher. The welcome to online classes. The Little Paris Highway Primary School, JSR Extension 6 Cross, Chitradurga. Today we will discuss about in 9th standard science. The first chapter is matter in our surrounding. First one, what is matter? The matter is anything which occupies a space and has mass. This is known as the matter. Next, now what is the classifications of a matter? In early India, the philosophers the classified in the form of a five basic elements as air, earth, fire, sky and water. The called as a Pancha Tava. And second, on the basis of the physical state matter is classified as a solid, liquids and gases. On the basis of a chemical composition, the matter is classified as the pure substance and mixtures. And pure substance the may be the elements or compounds. The mixtures may be homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. Next, what is the physical nature of matter? The physical nature of matter, it contains the few topics. The first one is matter is made up of a particle. The particle of matter are very tiny. Third one is the particles of matter have a space between them. Fourth one is the particles of matter are continuously moving. Fifth one, the particle of matter attract each other. First one is the matter is made up of particle. We do some simple activity that take some water in a beaker and note its level. It shows in the figures and dissolve some salts or a sugar in it with the help of the glass rod. The salt dissolved in the water, but the level of the water does not change. This is because the particle of a water get into the space between the particles of a water. This shows that the matter is made up of particles. Second one is the particle of matter are very tiny. We do some simple activity. Dissolve 2 to 3 crystals of a potassium permanganate in 100 ml of water in a beaker. Take 10 ml of these solutions and dissolves in 100 ml of water. Take 10 ml of these solutions and dissolve in 100 ml of water and repeat this process 5 or 6 times. This shows that a few crystals of a potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water because there are millions of tiny particles in each crystals. And third one is the particle of matter have a space between them. We do in simple activity. Take some water in a beaker and note its level. Dissolve some salts or sugar in it with the help of the glass rod. The salts dissolves in the water, but the level of water does not change. This is because the particle of a salts get into the space between the particle of the water. Fourth one is the particle of matter are continuously moving. We do some simple activities. Take some water in a beaker and put a drop of a blue or red ink slowly along the slides of the beaker and leave it undisturbed for a few hours. The ink spread evenly throughout the water due to the movement of the particles of water and ink. The intermixing of two or more different types of a matter on their own is called as a diffusion. And fifth one is particle of a matter attract each other. We do simple activity. Take the iron nails, a piece of a chalk and a rubber band. Try the beating them by the hammering cutting or a stretching. It is more easier to break the chalk, less easier to break the rubber band, and difficult to break the iron nails. This is because the particle in the iron nails are the held together with greater force than in the rubber band or a chalk. Okay students, today we will stop here. Thank you.